Hello and welcome back to Fabulous Ideas, and in this video I have been to Homesense and also I have been to Dunelm, and I want to show you what I have got from there. So let's get in these bags and let's show you all of the goodies that I've got. And I can tell you that at the moment they have a great collection on Halloween stuff all around Homesense at the moment. So if you're into Halloween and props and things for your home, they have a fantastic selection in at the moment. So that's something to add in this video. So the first thing that I got is a mug, because I'm thinking of the winter time now and drinking more warm drinks, and I saw this mug and I have two hairless cats, so I decided to go with the cat theme here. Just saw the box, loved it. It is fine bone, this fine china mug here. So it's a good quality mug in a lovely little box that you get. And let's just get this open so I can show you the mug. There we go, have a look at that. So the right size, actually, this is the right size. It's quite slim. So, you know, nice size mug for a lovely cup of tea on winter nights. And I just love that kind of, it's like a glossy black with gold coming in, lovely pattern details there if you can see. So liking that. The other thing that I got was these placemats, and you get a set of 4, and I thought, because if you haven't looked from one of my other videos, I did the kitchen and I decided to do like a makeover on the kitchen unit, and I painted them a dove grey, and I also painted the kitchen walls a grey, and I just thought that this kind of placemat would look lovely. It's called Songbird. They're at $5.99 for a set of 4, which I thought was a good price. And if you look, you can see the kind of like dove grey in the background here. And yeah, so if you have a good look, you can see it's all like a nice kind of floral design, maybe autumn colors, golden colors, and you've got a little butterfly there. So I just love that for the color. And inside they look like this. So they're just like the normal standard cork backing. I can get them out and show you what they look like, but I really liked the colour when I saw it, and I thought that would just go lovely on the table. Okay, so this is what one of them looks like. So you can see it's got the normal cork backing there, and 2 of them are like this. And the other 2 are a different kind of coloration, but still very pretty, very light. And I'll just show you one and the other so you can see the difference. So there, but not too much of a contrast, but really nice. And to go with those, I decided to get the coasters as well. Have I got the price? Yeah, so I mean, look at that, reasonably priced. They're about £2.49, and you get the coasters as well, and the same. So I won't get those out, but yeah, with the cork backing as well, so you get those. So they're really, really nice colour. I really like those. Okay, what else did I get from Homesense? I got this detangler brush, and it was only $2.99, and I loved it because it's a vintage one. I mean, look at that, it looks almost like a Kate Kidson kind of brush, but yeah, so a nice detangler there, and you can see it's they even give you a sample. So yeah, so I really like that. So, and I love the fact that it's vintage. Look pretty on anybody's dressing table, even in the bathroom. It just has a pretty floral design. So I got that. Also, I did tell you that there was this big bathroom makeover coming, and you've already seen the Desenio prints for the bathroom. So yeah, I have lots to show you of all of the accessories that I have purchased for the bathroom. I have a lot of them. They're still coming in, so that's the reason why this video hasn't come out yet. But yeah, so when they all come in, I just want to do one video and show you all of the accessories. But I did go to Homesense, I saw something there, and I might as well do it in this video because I have one already for the other video, but when I saw it I just had to get it because it looks really, really nice and it goes so well with what I'm doing. This is the soap dispenser. You've got the lovely pump action here, it's in glass, and you've got the black interior going on there, and I really like that because everything that's going to be in my bathroom is going to be the black interior, so that was perfect for what I am achieving in my bathroom. So I cannot wait to get that video, so you know, hit on that notification so you do not miss any videos and you don't want to miss the fabulous ideas and the bathroom makeover. So what did I get from Dunelm? Okay, so let me show you what I got. These are some great things going on here. This is some microfiber slippers. Actually, this is not from Dunelm. Make a mistake, I think it just went in the bag by mistake, and this is from Homesense and it's $5.99. You can see the lady there, it's one size, and it's a great way to clean your floors and give them a shine. So I have yet to try this design. It's 100% Spanish design actually. You got your little watermelons there going on, and yeah, I've never tried them. Can't wait to try these in another video, maybe on cleaning the floor and things for that. I also got this antibacterial cleaning pad, so just got some cleaning products really, so that's really, really handy. And what else is in here? Okay, love these, great for doing your microwaves, your polishing, your anything else, a cooker, anything that you've got, and it's also on an extendable stick. Look at that, that is great. So really liking that for those high places like my fridge freezer. If you haven't seen that video, check that one out as well. And I also got this one as well, which is a more firmer base. What are they calling it? Stainless steel. Again, this was as you can see there, it's $2.99, reasonable price. It's a microfiber duster, so all those places, hard places, and I think these are fantastic. So grab yourselves some of these if you go into Dunelm and Homesense. They do have a range of them and they're great cleaning products. Also from Dunelm, I also got some Zaflora, and this is the limited edition one, and it's called Midnight Bloom. I've never tried this one before. So you know, as you know, it's a 3-in-1 action, eliminates odors, freshness, kills bacteria. I'm going to smell this one now. So Midnight Bloom. Oh, very, very nice. Actually a very calming smell, and it's not that harsh, so I can't wait to be using this along with these and give my floor a good clean, and I think, yeah, that would be really, really nice. So that's another item that I picked up, but I also want to show you from Dunelm some flowers, a vase that I chose from Dunelm. Okay, so from Dunelm I bought these beautiful flowers. They have such lovely flowers. I don't know whether you can see every single one of those there, and also these beautiful pearls as well that were with the flowers. And I also got the vase as well, and also these little stones, these little pearly droplet stones, which looks beautiful, and it also just sets the flowers in place. I'm very happy with the colours in the bathroom. I'm going to be putting my 3 designer prints there, and then if you haven't checked that video out, then please do, because you'll see what prints I got. That's going to go there, but that is for the new bathroom update. But yeah, that is the flowers that I got. So I do hope that you enjoyed that video. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Hit on that notification so you don't miss any more fabulous ideas. And if you are new, that a very big thank you for watching and welcome to my channel. And do not forget to subscribe. So stay safe, take care, see you in another video.